Hey guys, we're about to go into Costco and do our beginning of the month grocery shopping stock up. It is the 1st of March, and as I mentioned in my last video, I am kind of doing grocery shopping a little bit differently, always experimenting, trying to find what's going to work best and keep us best on budget. And because I'm not quite as busy with like writing a cookbook and all that, I've been trying to like look at ads and stuff for different stores around town and just running around and picking up the best deals rather than just trying to get everything at Costco or as much as possible at Costco. So I downloaded an app and it's called Flip, and I think it has 2 P's, F-L-I-P-P. I'll put a picture up here on the screen for you, but it just is a collection of all the ads, the current ads in your area, and you can like choose the ones that are your favorite, and it will notify you when a new one comes out. And so it's really easy to just keep track of what's on sale everywhere. So I have been using that this last month, and I got some really good deals on like chicken and ground beef and just lots of other things. So I'm going to be doing that again this month. So my Costco haul shouldn't be as big as last month. I made a list, and I already actually this morning went to a couple of stores and picked up some of the big deals that they had going on. So I'll show you the stuff that I get from the other stores, but I didn't film at the other stores. It's just a lot when you're running in just to pick up a few things and running out. I didn't want to film all of that, but I can show you the deals that I got, and we'll see if this works out to be cheaper and, you know, keep us on budget better. I think my biggest problem with shopping deals and stuff like that is that I tend to overbuy. When something's a good deal, I'm like, oh, I gotta get a ton of it to make sure I don't run out or whatever. And then, you know, things end up sitting and you don't use them as much as you think you will and whatever. So I'm just trying to be mindful of that and buy, you know, pick up good deals, but then not overbuy at the same time. So we're about to head into Costco. I have Charity and Renee with me, and here we go. Sure, you wanna do the list for me?
Yes.
Okay. Look at Charity's cute haircut. Look at me. It looks kind of messy, but she got some bangs. She got it cut short. So pretty.
Is this the place?
I think so. You ready to go shopping, Renee?
Yeah.
What do you want to get here? Cheese sticks?
No, I know what I want to get here.
What do you want to get here?
I want to get
The suspense is killing me, child. You don't know?
bubbles.
Bubbles? I don't think they sell bubbles here. All right, let's get a bacon.
If we are, then check me out.
Bacon is... You found it? Good job.
Bacon?
Yep, that's it. All right, what's next, Cherry?
Can you stop just check it off real quick?
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, we gotta find the cheese sticks, and we need some mozzarella cheese so we can make those cheesy waffles again, remember?
Yep.
Are you excited? Those are so good. What's this one? It's at the bottom. It says X sharp. X sharp. Oh, I do, yeah. Well, we got this one that you love, Renee. Remember? Just a sec. Let's get out of the way. Oh. Huh? We're getting lots of cheese. That's just their picture. All right. Yeah, we've got 4 things. You're right. All right, mozzarella. $2.71 per pound. That's pretty good. All right, and then there's one that says mozzarella.
Mozzarella?
With an M-O-Z-Z.
I'll look for the word.
All right, we gotta get lots of bananas for Levi. Gotta get his, yeah, probably 10. That's probably as many as he needs.
11.
That boy. That boy eats more bananas than anyone I know. Let's see, 3, 4. We'll do 4. Hopefully that'll hold them for like 2 days.
Did you check out Smokies?
I didn't actually have that on the list. I just saw those. Sometimes they don't have them. So since I saw them, decided we'd grab them.
Should I just check, make a check somewhere for
Sure,
them?
go for it.
Okay, I'll make a check right here. Actually, I'll put it up there.
Okay.
That was pretty weird.
Autumn's making brownies for her class tomorrow, so she needs some chocolate chips. Yeah, maybe sometime you could. You've done it before, remember? You just can't do it every week. So here is our Costco haul. We got a big thing of chocolate chips, butter, double pack of mozzarella cheese, some pork rinds. These are yummy, yummy if you've never tried them. Organic tortilla chips, 1 pack of bacon, some string cheese. I grabbed 2 of the little smoky hot dogs. They don't always have these there at Costco, so when I see them, I like to grab a couple because we never know when we're going to find them again. 1 big block of extra sharp cheddar, and 4 packs of bananas. And Levi's very excited about those. And the total we spent at Costco this morning was $112.76. Here is everything I got at the other 3 stores. So I'll start at Safeway. They had, this was the best deal. It was chicken drumsticks. It was a limit too, but they were on sale for 29 cents a pound. So each one of these containers cost about $1. So that was a really good deal. And then they had London broil on sale for $2.99 a pound. So I really stocked up on that. I got 3 of these giant packages. They're really heavy, but each one was about $15. And then I found Greek yogurt for 50% off because it's close to the expiration date. There were 6 of the 2%, so I grabbed all of those and 1 of the 4%. So they were regular price $4.49, and then they were half off, so they ended up being about $2.25, which is a pretty good price for Greek yogurt. And then eggs were on sale for, well, it was supposed to be an 18-pack for $1.49, I think, and a limit of 2, but they were out, and so they were substituting just dozen for 99 cents each. So I got 3 of those because that was the limit on those. And so at Safeway, the total I spent was $63.38. And considering that I got, let's see, what was this? About over 15 pounds of meat, plus the chicken drumsticks, that was a pretty good deal, pretty good stock up. Next, I went to Fred Meyer, and they had ground pork on sale for $1.99 a pound. And I haven't gotten ground pork recently, but we really like to do like black pepper pork burgers and things like that. And so they had a limit of 5 of these 1-pound packages. So I grabbed 5, and it was a total of $10. And then I went to Grocery Outlet, and you never know what you're going to find at Grocery Outlet, but I found a few things. I got a big 10-pound bag of rice that was like $4.79, I think. And then I really stocked up on peanut butter because this is organic and the kids really like this kind. And they were $1.99 a piece. So it ended up being cheaper than the peanut butter I usually get at Costco. So I got 10 of those, so that'll keep them for a while. I got some granulated onion. That was $3.99. Didn't think that was too bad of a price. This was also $3.99. Some organic barbecue sauce. Levi loves barbecue sauce, so mostly got that for him. Also, these are for Levi. I've been suspecting that maybe corn is triggering his eczema a little bit, so I saw these grain-free tortilla chips and figured I'd pick them up. They were only 99 cents per bag, so that's a pretty good price for a cassava tortilla chip, better than the other brand that I was getting at Costco. So I grabbed it. I thought they were plain, but then when I got them home, I realized it was everything seasoning. So he might be smelling like garlic and onion for a while, but we'll try that. I think I got 8 bags of those. And the total that I spent on all this at Grocery Outlet was $40.59. So the total that I spent today for all of this that's on the table, plus all of the stuff that was from Costco, was $226.73. So I think that's pretty good for a beginning of the month stock up. Last month when I just went to Costco, it ended up being, I forget, was it $375? I think it was something like that, $3.75. And then I kind of struggled through the rest of the month because I, run out of things and didn't have enough money left on my grocery budget. So I'm really happy with how things are this month, and we'll see how it goes from here.